Hey, good morning, everybody. We are opening up the Phoenix Mobile Mechanic Series Hobby Grade Display Accessory Set. You can find links to all the products that you see in this video, and as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Now, this looks a lot like the Hobbycraft sets, and I believe it's built by the same people, Phoenix, but for some reason this is not a Hobbycraft kit. But if you're interested in this, it goes along with all the other Hobbycraft kits, and it goes for your 1/24th, 1/25th scale model cars, die cast, or any dioramas you want to make or anything. And so we've actually gone over the other Hobbycraft mechanic sets. We've gone over the tire shop. We've gone over the garage. And so this one here is our final one that we're going to be using in our diorama that we're doing of our 1980 Speed Shop. If you're interested in this, there is a link below. They're not expensive. They're really cool. If you have somebody in your life, or if you are the person in your life that has die-cast cars and wants to put on a small display, or you have somebody who wants to build a garage or diorama, or if you know, whatever you want to use it for, or if you build model cars when the 1/24th, 1/25th scale, these are all really cool things to have around, so you can do photographs or make dioramas or whatever it is you want to do. So let's go ahead and open this up. It says it's the Mechanic Series. It says it includes custom signed sticker sheet, which we will really enjoy because we'll need these for the windows of the Speed Shop or inside on the walls. So let's take a quick open this up. Let me move this. It's my 65 Chevelle out of the way, but if we need to use it for these pieces so I can demonstrate, we will do that. All right, so they all come. There we go. All right, let's see. First off, so I guess these stickers you can use on the board that they have here to put out front, or we can use them. Excuse me. We can use them to put in the windows of the Joe's service station that we're using, because these will be really cool for that. So we'll probably use these in the actual windows, but that's really neat. Comes with these stickers. Okay, so let's put them right there. So we'll put the stickers there and take this vacuum plastic off here. All right. Now I noticed some of these. This vacuum plastic actually keeps everything from being broken really well, but I want to make sure by looking at it that everything popped out. Okay, which it did. All right, so let's see what we got here. We've got brand new tires that are wrapped in whatever you would get brand new tires wrapped in. So it looks like it's wrapped in like brown paper for tires, which is okay because the other kits we have and everything came with other tires, so we'll leave that the way that is, wrapped like that. We've got a red jack. Most of the other jacks were gray, but we have a red jack. We have a welder. We have an air compressor on a stand. We have a sign that opens up. Pretty cool. We have a gas can. We have a toolbox. And like most of the toolboxes in these sets, it should have one drawer. It looks like it does. Yep, it's got one drawer that pops open. So you can always, you can put the tools in there if you want. So it has one drawer that pops open. We've got a pair of jumper cables. Looks like jumper cables, yep. Pair of jumper cables. A cone. What is this? 2 metal cans with no labels on them. There are 2 metal, like guess what, 5 gallon, not 5, yeah, 5 gallon cans. So we can use those for something. And then we have 2 more 5 gallon cans right there. See, they got the tops on them. All right, and then we have mats. So if we have a car here and you want to display like you're working on it, there's a mat that goes over the fender. So a fender mat to keep everything nice and clean. And they are rubber, so it might take a little bit to get them to form over a little bit, but there you go. So you can put those like that. So we have 2 of those, one for each side of the car, I imagine. And then we have, what's this? We've got a fire extinguisher, which you always need if you're welding. And then we have a high performance battery. So it is a high performance car battery. And then we've got a little bucket, little like egg crate bucket with wheels and a push handle. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of tools that you can lay somewhere. So we've got one that is box wrenches. We've got one that is screwdrivers. Right there. We got one, what is this one? That looks like sockets and extensions. And then we've got pliers and another one with pliers. All right. So for our mechanics set, show these over here for now. So the mechanics set right here comes with the stickers. It comes with a board, a air compressor. It comes with a welder, gas can, 4 tires wrapped as if new. Let me get this bit. It has, yeah, there you go. Fire extinguisher. It's got a 3-ton jack. It's got a toolbox. It's got 4 5-gallon cans, a racing battery, some jumper cables, push cart, a cone, 2 of the fender, 2 fender protectors, and 5 sets of tools. So pretty cool, very cool. And we will be using all this stuff for our build of a 1980s speed shop. All right, if you'd like this mechanic set, if you like the mobile mechanic set, which is what this is, we'll put a link down below so you can go order it really quick. Just click on the link. It will take the order. And these are good for somebody who has any kind of, if you have a die-cast, if you collect die-cast NASCAR, die-cast regular cars, if you build model cars in the 1/24th, 1/25th scale, these are really great to make small little displays, big displays, however you want to do it. So it's a really good gift or something for Christmas as well. So anyway, appreciate you watching. If you like this one, I think there's 5 or 6 other sets that we've already reviewed. We will be building the AMT as well as Fujimi sets and seeing how they compare to these. But I'll be honest with you, they're really cool. They actually have a lot of detail and stuff. We'll also be using a lot of the parts, a lot of your model kits when you get them. They have parts that come with them, either jacks or jack stands or tools or wrenches or tires or extra engines and stuff. So we have all that stuff. And once we get all this stuff built, we're going to lay it out, all the parts, and So hopefully you guys will enjoy all this stuff. I'm trying to put it up now because, hey, the holiday season is coming. And so if you have somebody that loves die cast, if you have somebody, and they come in not only the large die cast, they also come in 1/64th scale as well. So like I said, you can click on a link, it'll take it on, and you can figure it out. But we've done the tire shop one now that came with all the tire stuff. We've done the mechanic one, we've done the garage one, we've done the small garage one, backyard mechanic set, all that. So take a look if you want them. They're great gifts for the hobbyist in your life, or yourself if you are the hobbyist in your life. So we'll continue going through all this stuff and showing you what's out there to help you enjoy the model car hobby as well as the diecast hobby more thoroughly. All right, guys, and I will talk to you later, because today it's Friday, it's my birthday, and I'm gonna go eat some cake. All right, guys, talk to you later. Thanks, bye.